Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a module scan on the DSC. I got the PC 1832 panel here. So as you can see, we have the trouble. So when you hit star 2 and hit star again, this is the message I'm getting. So I'm going to show you guys how to clear this message. So I'm just going to hit pound just to get out of here. So what we're going to do is star 8 installer's code. Hopefully you guys have that. If you don't, check my other videos out. You might have to default your panel back to factory. This one is default, which is 4 5s. So you got 5 5 5 5. So once you do that, the section here, we're going to enter 902. And just going to have to wait a few seconds. It's supposed to do a scan. So once that's all done, we just hit pound to exit out of there. Press it again. Press it again. And now your trouble is all gone. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions on the DSC panels, please comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thank you so much.